crash course on Cuba, Cuban Revolution and History. Welcome to a crash course on Cuba's fascinating history, including the Cuban Revolution, the prominent figure of Fidel Castro, and the enduring impact of communism on the country. Let's delve into the captivating stories and examples that shaped Cuba, explore the top 12 attractions that showcase its historical significance, and then celebrate this topic through a poem. Cuban Revolution and History. The Cuban Revolution, led by Fidel Castro and his comrades, was a pivotal event in Cuba's history. Here are some interesting stories and examples. 1. Fidel Castro's leadership. Fidel Castro, along with Che Guevara and other revolutionaries, orchestrated the overthrow of Cuban dictator Fulgencio Batista in 1959. Castro's charismatic leadership and Marxist-Leninist ideology shaped the course of Cuba's political and social landscape. 2. Bay of Pigs invasion. In 1961, the United States attempted to overthrow the Cuban government through a failed invasion known as the Bay of Pigs. This event heightened tensions between Cuba and the U.S. and further solidified Cuba's commitment to socialism. 3. Cuban Missile Crisis. The Cuban Missile Crisis of 1962 brought the world to the brink of nuclear war. The crisis emerged when the Soviet Union placed nuclear missiles in Cuba, leading to a tense standoff between the U.S. and the Soviet Union. It remains a significant moment in Cold War history. Top 12 attractions of Cuban Revolution and History. 1. Plaza de la Revolución, Havana. 2. Museum of the Revolution, Havana. 3. Granma Memorial, Havana. 4. Che Guevara Mausoleum, Santa Clara. 5. Bay of Pigs Museum, Playa Goran. 6. Museum of the Literacy Campaign, Las Villas. 7. Moncada Barracks, Santiago de Cuba. 8. Sierra Maestra, Granma Province. 9. Ernest Hemingway House Museum, Havana. 10. Museum of Che Guevara, Havana. 11. Bayamo, Granma Province. 12. Matanzas City, Matanzas. In summary, Cuba's history is intertwined with the Cuban Revolution and the influence of Fidel Castro. From the iconic Plaza de la Revolución to the historic sites like the Bay of Pigs, these attractions provide a window into the country's revolutionary past and its ongoing impact. ******, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our anhubmetaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. Now, let's celebrate the Cuban Revolution and its history with a poem. In Cuba's vibrant land, a revolution ignited. Fidel Castro's vision, a nation united. From Sierra Maestra to the Bay of Pigs. A struggle for freedom, where hope springs. Plaza de la Revolución, a historic square. Echoes of speeches, dreams in the air. Museums speak of battles fought. The revolution spirit, never to be forgot. Che Guevara's mausoleum, a hallowed ground. A symbol of sacrifice, profound. In Santa Clara, his legacy held tight. Inspiring generations, a guiding light. The literacy campaign's courageous stride. Education's power, a nation's pride. Moncada Barracks, a historic place. Where revolution's fire first embraced. Havana's streets, Ernest Hemingway's abode. A writer's haven, where stories flowed. Matanzas and Bayamo, history's embrace. Their spirit endures, leaving a trace. Cuba's revolution, a tale to be told. Of struggles faced and ideals bold. A chapter in history, an enduring flame. Cuba's legacy, forever in acclaim. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.